Hello, I'm Master 3. I am a boy in class 3. I am fun, happy and carefree.
Hello, I'm Miss 3. I'm a girl in class 3. I'm intelligent, cute and carefree.
See, the shapes are playing together.
Aren't they looking cute together?
See, they are singing and dancing together.
Let's go and see them. I am the best. I am the best. I am the best.
No, I am the best. Clap along if you love circle. It is a shape that is so divine. Round and round, it's never ending. Of course, that is just so fine. No corner, just move perfection. No beginning and no end. In the world of shapes, I am the best. Circle round the bend.
No, that is not true. No, that is not true. That is not true. Let's dance in the square. Let's have some fun. In the world of shapes, I'm second to none. With precision and flair, I stand tall. In the land of geometry, I have it all. No, that's not true. When you see a triangle, don't be glum. It's the best shape everyone can hum. Now you know, it's plain to see. Triangles for hippie purry. No, that is not true. If you need a shape that's really top notch, just remember me. I'll never bought. I am best at what I do. It's true. A rectangle, that's me through and through. No, that is not true.
I am the best.
No, I am the best. No, I am the best. There is no doubt. I am the best.
I am the best. I am round and beautiful. I have no sharp edges. Children use me to draw smiling faces. There are so many beautiful things in my shapes. I am the best. Look at the picture and tell us which other things do you think are circular in shape?
I am the best. I have 4 sides and all of them are equal in size. Children eat so many sweets which are square in shape. I look very beautiful, so I am the best. Look at the picture and tell us what other things can you think of that are square in shape. I am the best. Just look at me. I am so beautiful. I have 3 sides. Children use me to draw mountains. They enjoy many of the snacks in my shape. So I am the best. Look at the picture and tell us what other thing you can think of that are triangular in shape. Ha. Of course not. No one can be better than me. I have 4 sides. 2 are equally long and 2 are equally short. I look so beautiful. Children enjoy biscuits and chocolate in this shape. They also use so many things in my shape. I am the best. Look at this picture and tell us which other things can you think that are in rectangle shape.
By the way, who were the 4 friends?
They were the circle, square, triangle and
Rectangle.
But if they were friends, why were they fighting?
Because each one of them thought that they were the best. Just as you think you are more intelligent than me. But I'm a good person. I don't fight with you.
Okay, Master Smarty, if you're so intelligent, then I'm going to ask you a few statements. You have to tell me if they are true or false.
Sure. Go ahead and ask me anything.
The circle does not have any sharp edges.
Of course, it's true.
The square has 4 sides, but not all of them are equal.
That's not true. All 4 sides of a square are equal.
The triangle has 2 sides.
Do you think I can't answer this? It's false. A triangle has 3 sides.
Hey, Master 3, you are becoming really smart in my company. Now this is the last one for you. The friends could decide who among them was the best.
Oh, it's totally wrong. They were not like us. They couldn't decide.
Hey, look who is coming. The star. Maybe she can help them solve their problem. There is a star coming this way. Let us ask her. I'm sure she will say that I am the best.
Why would you say that? Of course, she will say that I am the best.
Please stop fighting. The star is very wise. She will surely say that I'm the best. Why don't we let her decide who is the best? Hello, Star. We four friends are having a fight. We are not be able to decide who among is the best. Can you please tell us who is the best?
All of you are friends. Then why should you fight? Let me tell you something very important. Do you know what you could do if you're together? You could create the most beautiful pictures and patterns. Just look around. We find many amazing designs of things in all shapes. So stop fighting. Together we can create wonders.
Yes, you are right.
We should not fight. Together we can create wonders.
Together we are the best.
Because I am happy with my circles around and my square so steady on the ground. Triangle we dance and rectangle we praise. Shapes of joy give life a chance. Shapes of joy give life a chance. Circle like the sun shining bright. Square like a present on a festive night. Triangle reaching for the sky so high. Rectangle like a cozy home. Oh my! Join the fun, come along. Shapes in harmony, a cheerful song. Shapes in harmony, a cheerful song. Every angle, every side, in a world of shapes, let's abide. Here we are, in a world of shapes. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle, no escapes. Playing happily in a math parade. Learning geometry where friendships are made. Learning geometry where friendships are made.
So our friends are together again now.
But who helped them solve their fight?
It was the wise star. What lesson did the friends learn in the end?
They learned that they are better together, just like us.
Yes, exactly.
Hey, look around. Let's talk about the shapes of all the things we could see.
Circle, sun, moon, coins, CD,
Square, box, chessboard, photo frame, red,
triangle, pizza slice, mountain, road sign, pyramids,
rectangle, mobile phones, laptops, envelopes, chocolates. I hope you enjoyed doing these exercises.
I like this and I know all our friends watching us have also enjoyed doing this. Now here is a task for our friends that today you all have learnt about different shapes and now it's time to expand your imagination and draw pictures based on the shapes that you have seen today.
Now it's the time to say goodbye. See you soon.
Because I am happy with my circles around and my square so steady on the ground. Triangle we dance and rectangle we praise. Shapes of joy give life a chance. Shapes of joy give